In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Telegram channel. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Telegram, then go to the bottom right and select on this pen icon like so. So over here, it will ask you for your contact, so it's completely up to you. And all we need to do is we need to press on this button over here that says new channel. Then go ahead and give your channel a name. And channels are really good if you want to build like a community or something like that. So from here, go ahead and just enter in a name for it. All right, and then you guys have the option to even add a profile picture as well. But from here, go ahead and add a description of your channel and kind of like what you plan to do. Once you're done with that, go ahead and press on this checkmark button over here, and then you guys have the option to set it as either a public channel or a private channel. This right over here is completely up to you. For this video, I'm going to be setting it to a public channel, and from here you guys have the option to customize your link over here, so go ahead and just write whatever you want. So for this, I'm just going to be calling it how to now videos like so. So yeah, once you're done with that, go ahead and press on the check mark just like so, and then go ahead and add some people to your channel. So I'm just going to be adding my boy River Rain. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on the arrow, and then there you go, guys. You have now made a channel on Telegram. So as you're able to tell, yeah, we are currently the administrator. We do have the invite link over here. Over here, we do have all the subscribers. So if you need to kick somebody out, then all you need to do is you need to press on the three dots to the right of their name and press on remove from channel, or you can promote them to admin. From here, you could also add subscribers and invite people via the link. Over here, we also do have channel settings where we can go ahead and adjust everything that you need. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.